Check it out, guys. I just made my own flooring cleaner. Look, oh my god. I just need to adjust the pH. Natural solutions are great when it comes to cleaning your home. You avoid heavy exposure to chemicals, and often it's something you can whip together with just a little effort. When it comes to product care though, some brands require cleaning solutions in a pH neutral range around 6 to 8, with 7 being the ideal rating so it doesn't damage the material or finish of the products you're using it on. Vinegar and water is often thought of as a one-stop solution to clean just about everything, including your floors. If you've been out there using vinegar already, shoot us a like to let us know you were there from day one. When you pop open vinegar, the scent is potent at first, but evaporates as it dries, leaving a clean scent and look as there's nothing else to it. When you make your blend, it's just a splash of this and that, and you're good to go. But are you? We decided to put some favorite combinations from the internet to the test to see where they land, while also then formulating our own solutions using quick ingredients available around the home or at a local shop. For our test, we bought some pH test strips with a range of 0 to 14 to cover a wide spectrum of outcomes and verify the results. For formulas, we have these on hand: 70% alcohol, 6% white vinegar, Dawn dish soap, and of course, water. First up is a classic, the 50-50 combo. We kept our portions small to reduce waste and used 2 ounces of water and 2 ounces of white vinegar. The ratio did little to get into the safe range, hitting a 2 to 3 level result, which is pretty acidic, a far cry from a neutral rating of 7. We opted to try out the next formula using 1/3 ratios, mixing 2 ounces of water, 2 ounces of white vinegar, and 2 ounces of alcohol. Even going so far as to add Dawn to this mix still held us around the 4 range, which is a really acidic solution to try and clean with. We wanted to hold firm to the 2-part cleaning mix, so we took it back to basics and found that using 2 cups of water with a 1/4 teaspoon of vinegar was able to net us a high 6 to 7 pH rating, which is a great neutral range. Trying to adjust that 1/3 formula to work, we tinkered around and came up with a high 6 to low 7 neutral rating using these ratios: 2 cups of water, 1 teaspoon of alcohol, a half teaspoon of white vinegar, and a 1/4 teaspoon of dish soap. It adds a little extra power without throwing off the balance or leaving any streaks behind. With the test completed, we wanted to do a side-by-side to show the formulas and their pH strips all compared. First up is vinegar for high acidic content, coming in at 2, and Windex swinging opposite around 11 to 12. Next, we throw in the 50-50 mix of vinegar and water, and then follow with a 1/3 blend of vinegar, alcohol, and water. Both of those struggled to show much promise as safe long-term options given the concentration of acid in the vinegar. Next are the blends we made. Vinegar and water start things off, with alcohol, vinegar and water, and soap following after. The results hit those neutral levels we've been searching for. Finally, we throw in some bonuses, comparing 70% alcohol without additives, a ready-mix neutral cleaner, and a lemon scent Clorox wipe. These all perform as expected, hitting neutral ranges with the Clorox holding a solid 6 range, while the other 2 lean into the 7s. As the testing shows, using more cleaner isn't actually better. We tinkered with adding more alcohol and more soap, but the improvements are minimal. Some do attempt to balance the high acidity from vinegar using baking soda, but that just means you're putting more ingredients into the mix or requiring yourself to have more materials available to make your cleaner with. Keep in mind that depending on your floor, these mixes might not be the right solution for your home. Oil finished floors and specialty finishes like waxes might require their own in-house cleaners to be used. We always recommend following the manufacturer's cleaning guidelines that come with your flooring so you don't ruin your investment. The cleaners we made today are designed primarily for urethane, acrylic, and melamine finishes. If you're curious about using our formulas at home, you can see the formulas we used in bigger quantities here. First up is our vinegar and water formula for 32 ounce, 64 ounce, and 128 ounce options. Next is our solution including alcohol and dish soap to the mix for 32 ounce, 64 ounce, and 128 ounce usage. The results do speak for themselves. With minimal ingredients and a balanced approach, these cleaners can help sanitize your floors and leave them looking new for years to come without breaking the bank and leaving massive streaks or cloudy looks behind. We hope this helped out a little on your journey for a natural cleaning solution. If you have your own blend, please feel free to share it in the comments below. We'd love to see what everyone has come up with. Also, we have more videos coming soon. We'll see you next time.